Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to be demonstrating what I use in my fuel tank once in approximately every 6 months. It's an ABRO fuel injector cleaner. So my car is a Tiago Petrol, and I have been using this injector cleaner in the other cars that I own as well, and I like it in its actions of its improvement in efficacy and mileage, and also the less jerkiness when I drive. So most of my cars are driven in the city, and there's a lot of stop start and short trips, so that does gunk up my fuel injectors. So this is a 354 ml bottle. I got it off Amazon for about 350 rupees. And what I usually do is I instill one whole bottle in one tank of petrol. So my Tiago has a 35-liter tank, and as per the instructions here, it says 1% by volume, so that brings it to about 350 mils in 35 liters of fuel. So I'm on an empty fuel tank right now. I'm on reserve. I'm just going to put this entire bottle and show you the fuel filling. Right now I'm at reserve fuel, and that's probably the ideal time to put this fuel injector cleaner, because when you refill it you have an estimate of the entire fuel tank being full. So I'll just show you when I fill up my tank. So I've got a full tank of fuel now. As you can see, the range is now 327, and I'm just going to reset my trip computer.